Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Happy Saturday. So have you checked that Azure account one? No? So is it 365 days free or 1 month free? 1 month only. Huh? So without email ID, 1 month. That means without email ID means they're directly giving the access. How they are giving the access? With student ID 1 month. 1 month. Student ID 1 year. Normal? Normal 1 month. Hey. Earning. So with the student account it says 1 year. हाँ Azure ML Studio क्या हो रहा? Azure ML Studio is related to ML Ops. ML Ops. Auto ML without no code. How can you write the ML algorithms? How can you deploy the model? Deploy the model. How can you register the model? Register the model. These are things. We will do Azure Cognitive Services. Azure Cognitive Services. Which means Azure Cognitive Services we will do. Azure AI Services name is called. That changed. In that OpenAI service will be there. Search service is there. Translator is there. Translator means English to Hindi. Speech, when you voice to text, text to voice. Vision, that is computer vision. And language, that means summarizes, build the documents, that is document intelligence, extract the text and all the algorithms that is. So this we will do on the next Saturday, that is. So that is only 1 month means, that is how can we use that 1 month? If everyone is create, then that is not one person will create, everyone use that account then. But you should be somehow charity. At least 5 members. 5 members share to five members. Then 25 gone. Like that. So like that you can plan. Discuss among yourself once. If everyone is creating, then that is 1 month only valid, no? Then after 1 month again, that is waste. If you are interested. Discuss among yourself. At least create 5 members and tell me that who are that creating that 5 members. Then that we will use. 1 month means, yeah. Can practice that, explore it. I don't know. I thought it is a $200 coming and 12 months. Now they changed to 1 month only or what? Before it is 365 days. I don't know why they are doing for 1 month now. It is not working at all button. I have taken one student, IIT partner student account, IITP. That is, the IIT Patna is offering data science for 2 years. MTech वाला program. Only you can only online. Only online. You can go there also. And this is the first batch is going on. That guy is discussed with me. I said, just go ahead. They're saying that so many companies are coming. If he get good no, then you also can try in future. Online 2 years, you'll get MTech degree and you'll get good job also. That is like while you are doing another job, you can do try by this. Like that also you can do. Of course, fees will be there. Good amount of fees will be there. General candidates, 1 lakh. That is why Rohit Sharma is coming here. What is doing with IIT partner? So many companies are there. But there is only first batch. Let's see, is real or not. That is only first batch is study. No, no get. No get. Get is not required for this. That is first batch just started. So let's see, we'll do this now. So only 1 month is, that is bad thing. So okay, last class we covered confusion matrix. Confusion matrix. I will not ask questions. Okay, it's fine. Confusion matrix. True positives, true negatives, false positives, false negative. False positive matlab means model is predicting yes, but it is false, but it is wrong. That means actually no. Which means actually no. You understood that? That you know. And next we know that accuracy and we know that error rate. And then we discuss about the class imbalance problem. Class imbalance problem. What is the class imbalance problem meaning? No, what is the meaning of this class imbalance problem? The name itself is there, no? Classes are imbalanced. Classes means not first class, second class. The labels are nothing but classes. Labels are nothing but classes. There are two labels are there. That means S is one class and no is another class. That is called imbalance. Suppose your 100 observations are there. It is coming 90, 10 or 80, 20 or 95, 5. The ratio, you are seeing a huge ratio. Then we can able to say that our classes are imbalanced. Classes are imbalanced. Whenever the classes are imbalanced, the accuracy will fail. Whenever the classes are imbalanced, classes are imbalanced, accuracy will fail. Accuracy will fail. Now there is a question is there. How to deal with class imbalance problem? Class imbalance problem. Suppose there's a class imbalance problem is there. You observe that there are 99 observations or S is there. Only one observations no is there. Your model is little tricky model. It is identifying S categories are very good, but no categories are not. These kind of things are very, very frequently. You can see that cancer patient detection. Cancer patient detection is a class imbalance problem or no balanced problem. General real-time scenario. Cancer patients are very, very less compared to general disease, right? So it is a class imbalance problem. Identifying the terrorist, generally less. It is a class imbalance problem. Tell me one more thing. Tell me one example which is having the class imbalance. Tell me some real-time scenario. Class imbalance. बोलो ना. Data engineering high pay. Whenever I'm explaining to data engineer demo, I will say data engineering is good. When I will say data science demo, data science is good. Yesterday, data engineering demo has happened. They're not talking anything. They're sleeping, I don't know. They're listening, I don't know. They are going to eat food or I don't know. Nothing, I don't know. They're not talking at all. They have money and they are going to US and they are enjoying. And they want job, that's why they join in the consultancies. No, ma. Data science is paying very high. But data engineers are more required engineers. Engineering means engineering work only. Generally, what is engineering work? You see the boards, no? Mechanic engineer. What they will do? Engineers will do so much hard work. Okay. Data engineers, machine learning engineers have so much hard work. That is. Even they will work on Saturdays also. You need to create some pipelines, you require more people. More people. Data science is less people is required because, data engineer is kind of a nurses and data science is a kind of a doctors. That is simple time you can say. First patient will go to hospital, who will take care of? First data will come, who will take care of? Data engineer. Then doctor will come. What he will do? Develop the model. And that model again he will doctor hand over to patient to again whom? Again ML engineer. ML engineer. So data engineering, ML engineering are so much work. But data science will pay high. Obviously, doctors will pay high. General, that is the scenario. So, but three are important. Data engineers are important. Data science is important. ML engineer is important. But nowadays, all works are doing only one guy. DE, DS, MLG. In one project, I have done everything. I only done data engineering. I only done data scientist. I only done ML engineering. See how much I worked. That is a very, very bakwas project. That is. Even Saturday, Sunday also full day I have worked. That is. And they given last year 12,000 rupees extra bonus. That's all. For that 12,000 rupees bonus. Nowadays, people are expecting you need to do everything. Ma. They're training you and they are giving the work. I don't know data engineer. I didn't do any course, but I know data engineering course because I have done the project. So don't think like that you will do only that work. Maybe after they hide in the name of data science, maybe they will give Python work. Maybe they will give to create the dashboards work. So all the scenarios will happen. You'll see 1 year, you'll see 2 year, then you'll skip the other company. Like that. So many people are creating the dashboards only. Okay, believe me, you will also create the dashboards only. Tell me the answer, no? What is the class imbalance problem? Example ka bol. Spam is or less, or spam is more generally? Spam is less, huh? Open your email ID. Open your email ID one. क्या रे? Identify billionaires. Okay. Identify billionaires. Okay. Billionaires are less compared to in India. That is, they are given the rich definition in India. Have you seen that? Rich definition. 8.3 crores people become rich in India in next 10 years. Okay. You know what is the salary if you draw? 8.5 lakhs. If you draw 8.5 lakhs, you are rich. That's the definition they are given. 8.5 lakhs, everyone is drawing. No, nowadays. Everyone is drawing. That is funny thing. I have seen the news. I love that is fraud detection. So cancer patients, all health related things are generally a health related use cases, you can say. Health related rare diseases. rare diseases, you can say that is a going to the class imbalance problem. So think like the general scenario, classes are imbalanced. What is your immediate step? What is your immediate step? 99 yes is there, 1 is no is there. So what is the some idea you will get to make the balance? To make the balance. What are the ideas you will get to make the balance? Very good. Train more data. That means add data. So what kind of data you will add? 99 or 1? Tell me. 1 increase to 99 or 99 decrease to 1? What you will do? What you will do? And this methods is called upsampling, upsampling and downsampling. Upsampling and downsampling. Up, the name is saying that up means you will concentrate on, will concentrate on lower observations, lower label observations, lower label observations. You will increase those observations, which means you will concentrate on no cases, you'll concentrate no cases. Think like that. 30 years, male is there, salary 50,000 and no is there. And you want to increase like this, 31 and male and 50K, and you will add again no. Again 30 years, female candidate, again 50K, you will add again no. These extra observations you are adding to make the balance the data. That name is called up. Up means whichever is the lower, you are increasing that. Whichever is the lower, it is the increasing that. Similarly, down sampling means you are concentrating on 99 wala. So you will decrease that. In this scenario, you are talking about 99 and 1. Okay, in this scenario, you're talking about 99 and 1. But in some scenario, you have suppose 1000 is there or 2000 is there and 10,000 is there. Or suppose 8,000 is there. Now what happened? This is 2000 and this is also you are making to 2 to 4,000 and this is 8 to decrease to 4,000. So this what happened? Upsampling. This what happened? Downsampling. Upsampling and downsampling. That means somehow you are balancing your data to avoid the biasing. So accuracy is fail. Yesterday we have seen that is operation success. Patient is that kind of story. That very important question. Class imbalance in machine learning. So many methods are there. You see here, suppose so many methods are there. Total observations are 1000. Fraud observations are 20. Non-fraud is equal 980. Event rate is equal how much? 2%. That is called balanced problems. Not balanced, that is accuracy will fail. So data sets now approaches resampling techniques, undersampling, oversampling, that is called upsampling, cluster-based sampling. You can divide into clusters. You can concentrate on that. That is also idea, right? So like that cluster base. So I request you to go to this article once. Go to this article. This article is very easy. That is a story. This article is just a story. It is not a technical. So that's why I'm giving this article to you. Everyone can understand this article. It is just a story. It is just a story. How to avoid the class imbalance problems. How to avoid the, just apply the class imbalance problem. How to handle the imbalanced problem. So it's just a story. We can just 2-3 things: upsampling, downsampling, cluster sampling, like that. The 3 techniques are enough. Three techniques are enough. Clear? Oh, same story. Like this, suppose red zone, green zone, yellow zone is there. Same story. You will see that there is a balance or an imbalance ratio. You will see that balance or imbalance ratio. You will see that. Same story. Whichever is the lower, you will do that upsampling, downsampling, cluster sampling. Like that, you can increase that. Story is same. Suppose you say this is 20 is there. These are the 280 is there, and these are the 300 is there. So, but think like that. Total is called 600 observations. 600 observations. Then again, it is called. It is a rate is very less. It is a imbalance. It is a imbalance. If everything is coming 200, 200, that is then is a balance. Yesterday, what happened? We are doing that LLM fine tuning model. LLM fine tuning model. So I am working with a client guy called Google guy. So he created a data. The data is the reviews data, spam reviews data. Spam reviews data. Spam reviews data based on the website. Based on the website. Based on the telephonic number. Based on the telephone number. Like someone, people will quote, no, that telephone number is wrong. They are taking the money. That is a fraud. Like that, they will mention the reviews. And that reviews is they're considering the Google Maps or not. Based on the Google Maps or not. This website fraud and telephone fraud based on the Google Maps or not. So identifying these kind of reviews are very tough. Give me one review, this kind of thing. You can search in Google and just give me one review. I spent 2 hours time. I didn't get much. So the based on the website, based on the telephonic number, and the two should accept it in the by using Google Maps. By using the Google Maps. Fraud reviews you can get anywhere, but especially the condition should follow. They want to increase the accuracy of Google Maps. They want to increase the accuracy of the Google Maps. So this is the case. So he created 285 reviews. He created 285 reviews. In that, 13 only are yes, remaining all are no. Remaining all are no. Then I observed in this 285, one review is wrong. So we covered into 2 and remaining all are no. And I added extra 5 reviews. 5 reviews. In that 5 reviews also, only one review is yes. That means total become 13 now. And remaining 267 is the 277 is the no. He believes that even one review also impact a lot. Even one review also impacted a lot. He asked me to run the model. He has to run the model. So yesterday I got the new thing based on his discussion, because they are very keen, because the Google, no, they are the product based company, right? They are very keen on the reviews part. You are giving us some random review, you are changing the label, yes become no, no become yes, it is impacted so much. So that's they don't want. So he said very clear instructions. So we are very cautious about the reviews. Even one review also you added also, that is good. And he said thanks to me because he observed some wrong review in that. That is, and again he said that run it. And how many observations I added? Only 5. How many extra one added? Only 1. Even though also he asked me to run, the model is still running. I think it has completed. Yesterday afternoon I triggered the model. It will take 1 day time to run. And again we'll check the accuracy. 1 day it will take time. That is models pipelines. So again accuracy will check. Again we'll add some more reviews. Again we will train the model, LM model, that is. So like that keep on goes. So these all are kind of a class imbalance problems. So when you work in real-time scenario, you will get to know more. This is all class means all are theoretical, some practical, right? But not real-time based things. Real-time based things you will get to know when you enter into the company only. That will give the more exposure. Yesterday I got very new thing. I shocked. I actually plan to add around 50, but I'm not getting. I Google it. I'm not getting. I given 5. In that 2 said yes. and 3 said no. He corrected with me. He said that one is wrong. Only one in that one is yes, and remaining 4 are no. He said that. So that will decrease your confidence. That will decrease your confidence. So what we observe, I observe is a fraud. But he observed, he is saying that it is not a fraud. It is not related to Google Maps, so leave it, that he said. Like that it's happening. And I need to add again more 10, 15 reviews. I need to trigger that model on Monday, next Monday. If you have any reviews, share with me, okay? Website, telephone, Google Maps. That is. So because of class imbalance problem, we went to again true positive rate. That is called TPR. Tell me the full form. True positive rate. What is the formula? Rate means always what happens? Some divided with there. That is called TP by P. TP by P. And next one is called true negative rate. True negative rate. That is called TN. What is the name of this called? Fancy name? Sensitivity. Sensitivity. And this is will say what? Specificity. Specificity. So sensitivity. Sensitivity equal to 0%. Specificity. Specificity equal to 99%. And accuracy equal to 99%. If I show only accuracy, that is not the in conclusion. If you show this all these three, then your thought process will change. Correct? Even the accuracy is 99, but the sensitivity is equal to 0, then immediately you need to strike that sensitivity is related to only true positives. Only true positives. Then you will ask the question to the your client or your manager or whatever it is. What is your ultimate goal? Identify the truths or identify the negatives? Then he will say identify the truths. Then you will scold him. Obviously, where it is not identifying at all truths. If he's identifying the no's, his use case is no, then okay, good. 99 you are getting. I'm happy with that. It is okay because your use case is what? Identifying the 99 no's. Based on this, again, two more important is called. One is called precision. Precision and recall. Precision and recall. Very, very important, ma. This precision and recall. People will use only these two always. Precision and recall. First, draw the confusion matrix. First, draw the confusion matrix. It is little tricky to understand. We need to discuss this, then only you will understand. Not study, discuss. Precision and recall. First, draw the confusion matrix. This side, what will be there? Actual will be there. This side, what will be there? You can change it. That is, don't worry. And this is yes is there. And this is no is there. And here S is there. Here no is there. So S means here P will be there. Here P will be there. Here N will be there. Negatives. Here N will be there. And this is both are same. Here T will come. And both are false. Both are opposite. Here what will come? False will come. And here both are opposite. Here what will come? False will come. And here both are opposite. Sorry, same. It is a true will come. This is the confusion matrix. And precision and recall. Precision and recall will concentrating only on the true positives, no? Because positive is the main thing for us, not negative things. Precision and recall will observe only the positive things. Let's write like this. So precision and recall will concentrate only on true positives. true positive. There are two scenario. There are two scenario. There are two scenario. Actually, some positive observations are there. Actually, some positive observations are there. In that, how many model is predicting correctly? Model is predicting correctly. This is one scenario. And that model is predicting correctly. This is scenario one. This is scenario one. Actually, some positives are there. In that model is predicting how many model is predicting correctly. Scenario one. Tell me opposite scenario. I am the actual, you are the model. I am the actual, you are the model. I am saying that I have actually some 10 observations are there. You are predicting something. In that how many you are matching. Okay. Now tell me the same conversation with respect to yourself. Scenario 2. Scenario 2. Opposite scenario. Tell me. Opposite scenario. Now you are model. You are talking with me. With the actual guy. I am the actual guy. You are the model. I am saying to you that I have some actually 10 observations are there. In that how many you are matching. Or in that how many you are predicting. That is in my scenario. Tell me your scenario. How can you say that oppositely? I am the model. I predicted some positive observations. In that how many are matching with you, no? That's the observation, right? See here. This actually some positive observations are there. In that how many model is predicting correctly. And same opposite scenario, how can you write? Model is predicting some positive samples. In that how many are matching? How many are matching with originals, actuals? Model is predicting some positive. In that how many are matching with actual? You feel like that both are same, but both are not same. You feel like that, but let's see here. Come here. Model is predicting what? Model is predicting some positives. This is the scenario. This is the scenario. That means he is asking about TP plus FP reference. Agree with me? TP plus FP reference. Agree with me? Talk with me. Agree or not? Model is predicting this is a yes. He is predicting TP and FP. In that you are concentrating on what? TP. That is the one case. And second case, actual is concentrating on what? FN आ गए ना? That only I told. You feel like both sentences are same, but both are different. Understood now? Now more with respect to actual, who is that? TP plus? TP plus FN. With respect to actual, concentrating on TP plus FN. In that TP plus FN, how many are there? Both are completely opposite each other. That's why precision and recall, two terms are there. That's why precision and recall, two terms are there. And that you can see here. That is how many these pages of PPTs is there? Almost now this is now almost 78 without regression and without logistic. Again add that also. You need to study minimum 100 pages book. And that PPT only 100 pages book. At least you study the PPT means 100 pages book is there. Now the precision equal to the formula Note down the formula now. Precision equal to you're concentrating on TP only, but TP plus FP out of model predicting the positives, how many are exactly matching? You can say that TP plus FP is related to whom? TP plus FP is related to the model positive predictions. Model positive predictions. TP plus FP related to whom? Model positive predictions. If you want to know this, immediately in your mind, imagine the diagram of confusion matrix. Then only you will remember the precision and recall. Diagram of confusion matrix is important. The TP plus FP I am talking. TP plus FP related to whom? Model? Yes. If you say opposite, the interview will not happen, no? So that's why immediately, definitely you need to remember this diagram in your mind. TP plus FP, vertical side. TP plus FP is the vertical side, and that is the precision definition. TP plus FP related to whom? Model positive predictions. So you can say that out of model positive predictions, how many exactly matching? How many are matching with actual? You can say that. How many are matching with actuals? Out of model positive predictions, how many are matching with the actual? That is telling by whom? Precision. Telling by precision. Actually, 100 S's are there. Actually, how many S's are there? 100 S's are there. But model will predict some 60 S's only. Think like that. Again, you can't say that 60 is the precision, right? Again, that's a different scenario. Or so many possibilities are there. Yesterday we have seen. Think like here. Model is predicting 100. Model is predicting how many? 100. But actually, how many are there? Actually, how many are there? 60 are there. How many are 60? Now this TP divided by 100 pakka. Now what is this TP? Now exactly matching depends on if it is more, then your precision is more. Agree with me? Again, I'm repeating. Listen very carefully. Now precision formula equal to discuss with me if you are not understanding, but if you get understand by discuss with me only. TP by TP plus FP. TP plus FP related whom? Positive of whom with respect to whom? Model prediction. Suppose model is predicting 100. Model is predicting 100. TP by 100. Now, if this exactly matches the 100, TP also 100, then precision is how much? 1. Precision is how much? 1. If it is not matches, then precision is how much? 0. The precision varies from 0 to 1. So highest precision model is good. Highest precision. Now suppose you are predicting only 60. That is totally actually equal to 60. In that 60 exactly equal or not? Or maybe 50 only equal or 30 only equal, like this. What is the combination of 60 here? It might be 30. This might be 30. Then what could be the precision now? Precision is equal to 30% only. Precision equal to, whereas the precision equal 30%, immediately what you will say that you need to just take the generalized scenario. What is the generalized scenario? If suppose model is predicting 100 positives, in that only 30 are matching. In that only 30 are matching with the actual. That is the generalized scenario. Suppose I am saying that precision equal 50. Precision equal to 50. How can you say that generalized scenario? Suppose if model is predicting 100 positive samples, In that only 50 are matching with actuals. 50 are matching with actuals. And remaining are not actuals, remaining are actual. That means 50 observations. Now I will write like this now. See here scenario. Take the scenario like this now. The data is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations are there. And here is the X is there. And here is the Y is there. So this is S is there. This is S is there. This is S is there. And here is the no is there. And here is the no is there. And this is no is there. And here is the S is there. Here is the S is there. Here is the S is there. And here is the no is there. Agree with me? Understood this? Now, how many in the actuals? How many S's are there? How many S's are there? 3. And in the predictions also, how many S's are there? Which means these 3 exactly matching with these 3? No. That you need to observe. Don't see the higher level. Actual also 3 is there. Prediction also 3 is there. Their accuracy is 100%. That is not true, no? Now you need to observe the observation wise observation. Observation wise observation. Now tell me the precision. Now precision is saying that true positives by how many model is predicting the positives. How many model is predicting the positives? 3. This is the one, and this is the one, and this is the one. So divided by how much here? 3. How many true positives are there? This is the one, this is the one, 2. So the answer is what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means how much now? 66%. Like that you need to calculate. Take understood? Now precision meaning? Exactly. Any doubts in that? So more precision, then your model is good. More precision, your model is. Note down this by your own way, like this. So take like this a table. X input S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this is the input X input and this is the actual Y and this is the Y prediction. Y prediction. And suppose here S is there and here is the no is there and here S is there, here S is there and here S is there, here S is there, here no is there, here also S is there, there no is there, here also no is there. Our concentrating only on what? Yes. Precision and recall concentrate only on one? Yes, only. True positives. Remember that. So now here, now question is, what is the first question here is, how many actual positives are there? How many actual positives are there? 3. How many actual positives are there? 3. So next question. Next question. How many model predicted positives? Model predicted positives are there. That is also 3. How many model predicted positives? How many? 3. Now how many matching now? Question is, how many model predicted, model positive predictions, you can say that, model positive predictions are matching with actual positives. That answer is only 2. Answer is only 2. What is your life? Answer is only 2. Now the precision formula equal to true positives equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is equal to 66%. 0.66. 0.66. So TP plus FP related to the completely modal predicted positives. TP plus FP. That is the diagram, vertical, right? Imagine the vertical side. TP plus FP vertical. TP plus FP. Take the confusion matrix. This actual, predicted, yes, no, yes, no, P, N. I remember like this. You can remember in any way that your wish, but remember that. So, and that is T. Now this guy is related to whom? TP plus FP. Now that is precision. Now opposite now. Now tell me the recall now. You tell me the recall now. Now recall formula. Recall also will concentrate on whom? True positives only. Recall also will concentrate on true positives. This, but denominator will be related to whom? Actual. Here precision denominator related to whom? Modal SS. Here recall denominator related to whom? Actual. Actual means what? TP plus FN. Horizontal line. Horizontal line. That is called TP plus FN. TP plus FN. Now how can you say that? Out of actual positives, how many model is predicting correctly? Now you can say that TP plus FN actual positive prediction. Sorry. Actual positives. Actual positives. Out of actual positives, how many matching with model? How many are matching with model? Out of actual positives, how many are matching with model? This is actually exactness. See, this is exactness. This your main reference is actual data, and you are asking about later what model. It is your that is exactness. Exactly this many are correct. Like that, you need to say that. Now you understood the precision, so you can easily understand the recall. No doubt in that. But again, I'm saying that I told you right. Both statements are look like same, but both are not different. Now compare the statements now. Out of model positive predictions, how many are matching with actuals? Out of actual positives, how many are matching with model? Completely both look like same, identical, but both are different. And this is the example. Now tell me the recall answer. How much is the recall answer? How much is the recall answer? How many are matching with model? So 2 by 3 same. 2 by 3 same only here also. That is also how much? 0.66. Now let's take one scenario. Let's take one scenario. This is a scenario. Note down this. Yes, no, 90, 140, 21, 140. Just take this. Just copy this. Now tell me the precision and recall of these answers. Tell me the precision and recall. Tell me the precision and recall of this. Forget about this recognition and that. Just concentrating only on this. कितना precision? True positives. Exact true positives are 90, 230. How much? Percentage? कितना? बोलो कैलकुलेटर. 0.39. 0.39. Recall? That's 30% ना? हाँ FN है ना? TP plus FN 300 ना? अरे वो true N ना? N come straight here, go straight here. N N N क्या होता? ट्रू नेगेटिव होता ना? यार why यार कितना confusing हो गया? What is this? This is called yes. Come here like this. Come like this. N say come here like this. N here. Now this part is nothing but true negative. This part is nothing but true positives. Any confusion in this? This is nothing but false positives. This is nothing but false negatives. Now tell me the general scenario of this. How can you explain 0.39 is the precision meaning? Explain it. 0.39 precision meaning. Approximately take as 0.4. Okay? Explain me. What is the 0.4 precision meaning? Matching with model. You can tell me. Again tell me. Out of total observations. Why total observations? Out of total? Out of total SS. Total SS is respect to whom? Model or actual? Model, na? No. Again wrong that is. Out of S prediction by the model. How many are correct with natural? Tell me that, no? Why are it confusion? Simple, straightforward that is. TP plus FP. Out of total model positive, only positive, especially you need to mention positive predictions 40% are matching with the actual. 40% are matching with actual. In general case, you can say that if model is predicting 100 observations as positive, if model is predicting 100 observations as positives, in that only 40 are matching with the actual. That only 40 are matching with actual. Is that clear? Can you please confirm the chat? Look like both are similar, but both are not similar. Interview definitely will confuse. Okay, to avoid the confusion, you need to discuss yourself. What is happening? Take the diagram, take numbers, discuss among yourself. What is happening? How can I explain this in interview? Convey. How can I remember this? Definitely will confuse in interview if you are not practice on this special case. That is. And tell me the recall now. Tell me the recall. Tell me the recall. Now recall is talking with respect to actual, no? That only you need to take two persons are there. There are two persons are there. One person is A person, one person is B person. A is saying to B, I have some actuals, SS is there. How many you are saying correct in that? How many are saying correct in that? You'll play a game like this, no? Huh? Tell me, which is this? Which one is there, which one is not there? Again, you will play. I will tell the answers. Again, I will play. You will tell the answers. So that is the case. Now B is asking now. B is saying that I am predicting, I have something. In that, tell me exactly how many are matching with you. So now A is actual and B is model. Now actual is talking with model, that is called recall. Model is talking with actual, that is called precision. Understood now? Actual is talking with model means recall. I am the actual, I have some positives. In that exactly how many are matching with me? That is called recall. Now model will talking actual with, I am the model, I predicted something. In that exactly how many are matching? Both statements are similar, but both are completely different. And we have seen the example also just now, correct? One is coming 39%, another coming is 40%, 30%. Both are completely different. So recall is nothing but A to M. Recall is nothing but actual is talking with M. You can say that actually is talking with M. What is talking? Actually, I have some positives. In that, how many you are predicting? Statement is same. Actually, I have the positives and how many you are predicting? Precision is what? Precision is model is talking with actual. Model is talking with actual. I predicted something. In that, how many you are matching? Okay, that is model. Model what way model will do? Model predictor, no? Model predicted, in that is asking the question to actual. And recall is what? Actual is talking with model. I have some actuals, in that how many you are matching? Okay, now you can say that out of total actual positives, 30% only matching with the model. That's all. Matching with the model. You can say that M to A and A to M. You can remember like that. Precision, precision, recall. Actually is talking with the model. Both are concentrated on whom? True positives only. Both are concentrated on whom? True positives only. Here M is nothing but, what is the M here generally? M is here TP plus FP. Here actually is nothing but TP plus FN. TP plus FN. So both are talking about what? True positives only. Then formula will be what happen? TP by TP plus FP and TP by TP plus FN. That is the formula. Simple. Precision and recall. Is that clear? Can you please confirm the chat? That only, no? That only we said. Out of total positives, actual positive 30% only matching with the model. One is RAM, RAM. RAM is nothing but recall. Wow. You can remember like this. RAM is recall. Recall is RAM. And that is called PMA. Instead of PMO office, PMA office. Prime Minister office, no? PMO office. Like that PMA office. RAM. So RAM is nothing but now actually talking with model like that immediately. Definitely you will confuse. Okay. To avoid the confusion only, I'm explaining this much. Because I discussed so many people are confused about precision and recall. So I hope you understood. Very good. That is the next question. Recall. Recall is nothing but sensitivity. What is the recall? What is the sensitivity formula? Sensitivity formula is what? True positives by actual total positives, right? Nothing but true positives by again this is what? TP plus FN. That is nothing but recall. Nothing but recall. So recall is nothing but true positive rate. That is nothing but recall is nothing but exactness. Out of actual, how many are exactly matching by model? Exactness. Now the question is coming, which is important, precision or recall? Question is, which is important? Precision or recall? Follow. Which is important? Both important? Pakka? Which is important? To understand which is important, anyhow, both are concentrating on whom? True positives. Let's talk about FP and FN. Let's talk about FP and FN. Important depends on FP and FN. You can decide which is important. Now tell me, what is FP? What is FP? Model? Model is predicting true. Actually is positive. Actually is negative. Okay. Suppose that means what is in the general case scenario? What is the general case scenario? You are not a terrorist, but model is saying that you are a terrorist. You are not a terrorist. My name is Khan. I am not a terrorist. You are not a terrorist, but model is predicting. Model is predicting terrorist. Like this only you need to explain interview. Then only interviewer will understand that you are thinking in the logical way. Now next FN. Tell me FN. Model is predicting? No. But actually he is? Yes. Tell me. You are a terrorist. But model is predicting? No, you are not a terrorist. Which is more impact? Precision or recall now? Tell me. FP or FN? Which is more important? Both are important. Which is more impact? वो टेररिस्ट अंदर जाने के क्या होता? वो टेररिस्ट अंदर जाने तो क्या होता? You will feel like that FN is important, no? Tell me, Ambani is coming. Now you are saying that Ambani is not a terrorist, but you are saying as a terrorist. What happened now? Stock market will gaya. Indian stock market. So it is a completely based on the problem based. Completely based on the, but most of the cases recall is the impacting. Most of the cases is the recall is impacting, but completely is a problem based thing. So it depends on problem. You need to decide like this. What is impacting? You need to discuss with your manager. So FP is this, FN is this. So what is our actual goal? So which is impacting? Then we can concentrate on like that. So it is a completely a problem based. Problem based. But most of the cases we are saying our concentrating on what? Yes, concentration. Yes, you are galat bolte hai, no ke liye. That means you have a cancer is there, but my model is saying that you don't have a cancer. Then difficult, no? Like that. So that's why you are in the S case, but I'm saying the no case, that is impacting more. That's why generally it is a problem based, but generally recall, you need to concentrate on the recall. Take understood? Very good. So Monday we will do Python OOFs concept, and then we'll create the linear regression with Flask and create API, Streamlit, and everything we will do one application. I will show the one application, and then onwards you need to create the apps. Okay. From Monday onwards, we will do that. So before I don't have class at 10:30, we are going to till 11:30, right? Now you cross the evening batch people. Evening batch 2 classes are behind that. Now exactly 10:30 class is there. Now your class is cut now. That is. Next. Next is the F1 score. F1 score. F1 race. F1 score. Suppose decision tree precision equal to 85 and recall equal to 80. And decision tree done, and Navibias is saying that precision is equal to suppose 80 and recall equal to 85, and KNN is saying that the precision is equal to 83 and recall is equal to 81. Like this, different models are given different precision and recall. So which model you need to pick? Which model you need to pick that? So to avoid that confusion, they implemented the F1 score. F1 score is a kind of, do you remember that arithmetic progression and harmonic progression, geometric progression? So A and B, two are there. So now arithmetic mean is nothing but A plus B by 2. Geometric mean is equal to root of AB, and HM, harmonic mean, is nothing but, tell me, 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by B. 2AB by 2A plus B. 2AB by A plus B. Reverse that is. 2AB by 2A plus B. So F1 score is also harmonic mean of the precision and recall. Harmonic mean of the precision and recall. Harmonic mean. Harmonic mean of precision and recall. Individually, this question is different, but F1 will give the comparing the different models. Which model you can take the best one? So F1 score equal to F1 score is equal to 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. 2 into precision and recall divided by precision and recall. That is called F1 score. Two into precision into recall by precision plus recall. Now name the formulas. First formula is accuracy. Tell me the accuracy formula. Tell me the accuracy formula. TP plus TN by total observations. Total observations. TP plus TN plus FE plus FN. Next, error rate. Next, error rate. Error rate is equal to 1 minus accuracy. And then sensitivity. Sensitivity. TNR, right? So TPR. TP by P. And specificity. Which one more? Total actual piece. P and B means actual fee. TP plus FN. Actual bolo, actual. Don't confuse. P means actual. P means N means actual only. There is no second thought. When I say P and when I say N means it is actual related. Okay. Next, specific done. Precision. 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 TP by TP plus FP. And recall. Then recall. TP by TP plus FN. Recall also is called TP by P. That is nothing but TPR. Nothing but sensitivity. Next, F1 score. 2 into precision recall by precision plus recall. Will you remember this? You don't have any option. You need to remember this. Next two are there, ROC AUC curve and Cohen's kappa. ROC AUC curve. So this I will give the idea, and but the problem I will explain how to get that. But just I will explain that and then close that. Okay. ROC AUC curve. So you see that ROC AUC curve. So this it will take some time. I need to give this problem. I need to explain that. ROC AUC curve. Receiver operative characteristics that we'll discuss on Monday is both. But the thing is ROC AUC curve till now these all are important. Cohen's kappa will use very rarely. All are important. And other than this, you have that RMSE, MSE, sorry, RMSE, MSE, MAE, MAPE. I ask you to explore all these four related things. I don't know whether it's done or not. MAPE, this is related to again regression. RMSE. About till now is what? Classification. And one more thing is come cross entropy. Entropy and cross entropy. Entropy formula पता है क्या? Entropy formula everyone knows, right? What is the entropy formula? Minus Pi into log Pi. That is the one. Suppose there are two observations are there. One is there, and here is another one is there. And next P2 into log P2. This is the entropy formula. Now it's a cross entropy. Cross entropy means here is the instead of it is one is S. This is S category. S into that is a Y, and this is also S, and this is a no category, but you will write here 1 minus S, 1 minus Y, 1 minus Y into 1 minus Y. It is called crossing, cross, you see, right? Cross Y and 1 minus Y, cross entropy. Cross entropy. Cross means what? Y and 1 minus Y. That is called cross entropy. Is very, very important in deep learning. Cross entropy is related to deep learning, and this is related to regression. It is related to regression. This all above is related to classification. And a cluster also is separate again. Classification is separate, cluster is separate, regression is separate. All are different metrics. So metrics is a separate concept. Other than algorithms, metrics is a separate concept and impacting overfitting, underfitting, regularization techniques, optimization techniques, PCA, SVD, that are again will come. And again EDA concepts, standardization, normalization, categorical, numerical, again that is separate concept. That concept, this concept, that concept, again you let deep learning, again NLP, and then you'll become data scientist. That's why I said data scientist is a test match. Need patience. Okay, slowly. But anyhow, somehow you are getting the knowledge. The thing is you are not studying full time. Just coming class and going, come and go. That is. So that is your wish. If you and don't say that I'm not getting the job later. Chalo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Huh? All are classification algorithms. For every algorithm, you need to implement all these things. That is implement. That is a good. Correct. ROCIC curve also will discuss. You will get some more idea. That is also Monday. So once Monday will complete ROCIC, I will teach the OOPS concept. So bring your laptops. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Bye.